Have you ever wondered how to be the first to buy a token the moment it launches? Now it's possible with NovaBot, the fastest and most efficient trading bot designed for sniping new tokens instantly. To sign up, use link in description, and let's go. After sign in, you will be able to access your wallet address. You can deposit money from any exchange you use or simply from Phantom Wallet. For navigation, you can use commands like /start or simply click on menu and choose what you need. At the main menu, you will see all options. Most used, of course, is simple buy and sniper. You can also see your positions, quick buy, sell, and also set limit orders to sell at desired price, market cap, or percent. For quick buy, simple paste token address and you will be able to buy desired amount. Don't forget to set up slippage and buy fee accordingly to your strategy and needs. If you are interested in sniping, make sure to watch my previous video about sniping. There I explain with real-life example how to snipe tokens after liquidity is migrated to Radium from Pump Fund.